How to get Roblox VNG. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Roblox VNG is localized for Vietnam and managed by VNG Corporation, offering features like Vietnamese language support and local payment method. So to download, visit the official Roblox VNG website, that is roblox.vnggames.com, and look for the PC version download link and install the game. Now, further, use an existing Roblox account or create a new account in order to log in. And if Roblox VNG is region locked for you, you can access it using VPN method. Install a reliable VPN and set your location to Vietnam, and further follow the steps mentioned previously to download Roblox VNG, or you can create a Vietnam-based account. So this is how you can get Roblox VNG. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.